Let us look into Unit 2, Climate and Natural Vegetation of India. This lesson will explain you about the factors controlling the climate of India, the characteristics of different seasons in India, about the rainfall distribution, natural vegetation and wildlife in India. Introduction. We drink more water during summer and do not drink the same amount of water during winter. Why do we wear cotton or lighter clothes during summer season and heavy woolen clothes during cold weather season in North India? Why do not we wear woolen clothes in South India? This is because of the prevalence of varying weather conditions between North and South India. In the previous chapter, you have learnt about the landforms and drainage of our country, which dealt with the natural environment. In this chapter, you will learn about the climate, rainfall distribution, natural vegetation, and wildlife of our country. Equable climate is also known as the British climate, which is neither too hot nor too cold. The factors affecting the climate. Climate of India is affected by the factors of latitude, distance from the seas, monsoon wind, relief features, and jet stream. Latitude. Latitudinally, India lies between 8 degree 4 towards north and 37 degrees 6 towards north latitudes. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two equal halves. The area located to the south of Tropic of Cancer experiences high temperature and no severe cold season throughout the year, whereas the areas to the north of this parallel enjoys subtropical climate. Here, summer temperature may rise above 40 degrees centigrade and it is close to freezing point during winter. Altitude. When the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. Temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees centigrade for every 1000 meters of ascent. It is called normal lapse rate. Hence, places in the mountains are cooler than the places on the plains. That is why the places located at higher altitudes, even in South India, have cool climate. Ooty and Several other hill stations of South India and of the Himalayan ranges like Mussoorie, Shimla, etc. are much cooler than the places located on the Great Plains. Distance from the sea. Distance from the sea does not cause only temperature and pressure variations, but also affects the amount of rainfall. A large area of India, especially the peninsular region, is not very far from the sea, and this entire area has a clear maritime influence on climate. This part of the country does not have a very clearly marked winter, and the temperature is equable almost throughout the year. Areas of central and north India experience much seasonal variations in temperature due to the absence of influence of seas. Here, summers are hot and winters are cold. The annual temperature at Kochi does not exceed 30 degrees centigrade, as its location is on the coast, while it is as high as 40 degrees centigrade at Delhi, since it is located in the interior part. Air near the coast has more moisture and greater potential to produce precipitation. Due to this fact, the amount of rainfall at Kolkata, located near the coast, is 119 centimeter, and it decreases to just 24 centimeter at Bikaner, which is located in the interior part. Monsoon wind. The most dominant factor which affects the climate of India is the monsoon winds. These are seasonal reversal winds, and India remains in the influence of these winds for a considerable part of a year. Though the sun's rays are vertical over the central part of India during the mid-June, the summer season ends in India by the end of May. It is because the onset of southwest monsoon brings down the temperature of the entire India and causes moderate heavy rainfall in many parts of the country. Similarly, the climate of Southeast India is also influenced by northeast monsoon. Relief of India has a great bearing on major elements of climate such as temperature, atmospheric pressure, direction of winds, and the amount of rainfall. The Himalayas acts as a barrier to the freezing cold wind, blows from Central Asia and keep the Indian subcontinent warm. As such, the North India experiences tropical climate even during winter. During southwest monsoon, areas on the western slope of the Western Ghats receive heavy rainfall. On the contrary, vast areas of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu lie in rain shadow of leeward side of the Western Ghats, receive very little rainfall. During this season, Mangalore, located on the coast, gets the rainfall of about 280 centimeter, whereas the Bengaluru, located on the leeward side, receives only about 50 centimeter rainfall.